Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer retirement accounts with Fidelity Investments, full guide step by step clearly. Start by gathering all necessary documents related to your current retirement accounts. This includes statements, account numbers, and any relevant contact information. Determine the type of retirement account you want to transfer, such as an IRA or 401k. Visit the Fidelity Investments website and create an account if you don't already have one. Log in to your Fidelity account after creating it. Navigate to the Transfers section on the website. Select the option for transferring retirement accounts. Choose the type of account you are transferring from, such as an IRA or 401k. Follow the prompts to enter your current account information. Provide the necessary details, including the account number and the financial institution's name. Fidelity may require additional verification, such as a copy of your current account statement. Once all information is entered, review the details for accuracy. Submit your transfer request through the Fidelity site. You will receive confirmation of your request, along with a tracking number. Keep this confirmation for your records. Fidelity will contact your current retirement account provider to initiate the transfer. Monitor the progress of your transfer through your Fidelity account. Allow adequate time for the transfer to complete, which can take several days to a few weeks. Once the transfer is complete, review your new account to ensure all funds have arrived. Make any necessary adjustments to your investments within your new Fidelity account. Consider consulting with a financial advisor if you have questions about your new account. This will help you align your investments with your retirement goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.